Welcome everybody to the 2017 Live Burn presented by ServiceMaster DSI. We're with our partners at the beautiful Plainfield Fire Protection District helping us put this on today. What you see behind us are 6 different sets we're going to do in a live burn scenario. We're going to be educating the community as well as giving the fire departments some training as well as our folks some training on a live burn situation, seeing it happen in real life, flashovers, investigation, restoration part of the end.
For ServiceMaster DSI to actually bring this out and show what we do every day as far as fires, water, all the stuff that we have to deal with, it's fantastic.
One of the things what we always do is we partnership up with the police department, everybody when we're doing fire investigation, and obviously you guys, the insurance organizations, are the big component to help us out because we only have so much expertise in the field, and you guys bring in a lot of different experts that help us out in fire investigation.
I was able to actually see some of these fire scenes. I've not seen or been exposed to any, but I've just had a recent fire claim in my book of business, and now I know exactly when I'm referring, outsourcing some of the remediation companies in. This was really, really instructive.
At ServiceMaster DSI, what we try to do is be more prepared. You'll hear a lot of us in our presentations or our calls with our clients is preparedness and being ahead of the game and coaching our clients what to do before disaster happens, such as today with fires. You heard a lot of questions, a lot of answers from the chief on how to coach your insureds when something goes wrong, how to react to them, when they should leave their home, when they shouldn't. We're trying to bring these live burns, live floods, these types of events to our clients to have them more prepared in the future, not only when it happens, but before it happens so they can react better when it does happen to them.